Today, I'm illuminating another spiritual distortion or common misunderstanding that's preventing most people from experiencing more closeness with divinity. It's very common in the religious and New Age spiritual practices to want to isolate yourself to meditate or pray to feel closer to God. This is common and understandable. And if you're trying to tap into your inner wisdom, this is a great way to practice developing that skill. However, you don't want to isolate yourself from community too much because this is where we thrive. And this is where we can really serve God by serving others. We are meant, our path and our purpose here on this planet is to serve and love other humans. And when you love and serve them, you are loving and serving God. And that is where we're meant to be. That is how you experience the most fulfilled life, not in meditation and prayer all day long. So get out in the community and serve. That's where we're meant to be. Go ahead and let me know in comments how you put this into practice, and I'll see you on the next video.